Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, Father.
I'm very happy to be here today on the occasion of Teachers' Day that we are celebrating today. First and foremost, we thank the Lord for the gift of all of our life. And secondly, I'd like to thank Sister Amabel, Sister Ridlin, for putting lots of efforts to make the school what it is today. And on behalf of all the students, the management, we would like to wish all the teachers a very, very happy Teachers' Day. And let us all clap our hands for all our teachers here. In the morning, I have offered Mass for all of you, and especially for all our teachers here in the parish. And we appreciate your efforts, we appreciate your gesture, and much more we appreciate your spirit of being always there in the classrooms, in the school, and being authentic and responsible to your ministry. And one of the proverbs which says, one does not teach what one knows, but what one is. Pope Francis, when he gathered together with all the religious and in commemoration of all the teachers, he spoke to all the religious leaders and much more to the institutions and to the teachers. Teacher who dedicated for the welfare of all of us here. The students here are our children, and what we need to impart in them, the values of honesty, the value of simplicity, and much more the value to honor God and to fear the Lord at all times. This is what we need to transmit life of what we are and what we be, so that we can be all appreciated by all the students. These days I went somewhere in the meeting, and on the way somebody stopped me. He said, "Father, do you remember me?" I said, "No, I'm your student." And I've been walking now as the head of a wonderful life, and be grateful to what the management, what the school has contributed us, and we be also contribute the best what we can. Today being the feast of Saint Teresa of Calcutta, Mother Teresa, a charitable worker, she cherished her life by doing a service of love, service of joy, and service of responsibility, that whatever we could, whatever we can, we at the end of the day, we thank the Lord for the gift of life. Long live St. Paul, and we appreciate each other. Thank you. God bless everyone.
The pictures in silence. Thank you. Now we'll have a song from Basque and followed by a dance from Basque 11.